Okay, today we are going to do systems of linear inequalities. A system means it's more than one. So problem number 1 has 2 inequalities, therefore it's a system of inequalities. And if you notice, everybody at the very bottom of your page has a different symbol. Look at the bottom of your page. You either have the scroll, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The hexagon? No, heptagon. The saxophone or the music notes. That means everybody has a different paper. Todos los papeles son diferentes. That means you cannot copy off your neighbor. Okay? So I put up here all the different number 1s that I have. This is number 1 on somebody's paper. If you have this symbol, this is your number 1. If you have this symbol, this is your number 1. If you have this symbol, this is your number 1. And if you have this symbol, this is your number 1. They all kind of look the same, todos se parecen, but they're different. Okay? And it's because of the symbol. Look at the inequality symbol. Here, 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 here. Oh, those two are the same. These two and these two. So some of the numbers are different. Some of the inequalities are different. So you have to pay attention to yours, not the person next to you. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to graph 2 of them. So look at yours, mira el tuyo, and put it in decimals. Put it in decimals right now. So you're going to type your equation, your inequality, whatever your inequality is. Mine says x less than or equal to 3. And then the next one is y greater than negative 1 divided by 2. Arrow over, press the number x plus 3. Okay? Here's what you can do. Everybody look up here. You can change the colors. So if you press this settings, everybody hit this button. Hit this button, and you can change those colors. I can change this one to blue. I can change this one to green if I want to. You can change it to whatever color you want. Okay, press done. Then you can also turn it off. So don't erase it, just press this button and it turns it off. And then you can turn it back on. So I would graph one at a time. So for instance, this one, shade to the left on your paper right here. So pick a color that you like. Okay? And you see the lines already there. You don't have to draw the line, just color to the left. Okay? Then do the next one. So I'm going to turn this one on, and I'm going to turn this one off. So now I'm shading above the line. So you're going to pick another color, and you're going to shade. This line's already drawn for you, so you're just going to shade above the line. Okay? And then you're going to see which one has both colors. ¿Cuál tiene los dos colores? This one has only yellow. This one has only pink. This M has yellow and pink. So my answer right here for this one with the scroll would be M. Okay? This one might be different. This one might be different. This one might be different. So don't copy my answer. Do your problem and figure it out. Okay? So that's how you're going to do all of them today. Remember, they're all different. This is a different number 1, so don't copy your neighbor. When you're done, show it to me.